Okay, welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette, and guess what time it is? It's paper pumpkin time again. So this is a paper pumpkin kit for the month of January. Valentine's Day is around the corner, guys, and this kit is called Sending Hearts. So this paper pumpkin kit is a craft kit that comes to your door every month. It's perfect for you beginners. It's only $22 a month, and you don't have to pay shipping. You only have to pay tax on that $22. So everything to create the projects comes within this kit. You could cancel your subscription at any time. I'm going to leave the information in the description down below. So let's go ahead and see what we got with this month's kit. Alright, so I went ahead and opened that up. So you're going to have a little insert, and with this insert is telling you that you could get additional coordinating product to go with your kits, and these are little treat boxes that you could order in addition for Valentine's Day to put your treats in, and this could be for any occasion, guys. So you also get an insert with instructions on how to put your kit together. So on this insert, it's telling you that this kit has supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. So the instruction include these 2 designs, okay? But you could get creative and do whatever designs you would like. So these are the steps to create your cards. They also include a little ruler down to the bottom, and that's in inches. So let's see what came within our kit. We have a photo palmer stamp set. The photo palmer stamp set is nice and clear, so it's easy to stamp, and you could see through it as you're stamping. You could align a little better than the red rubber. So now this is a cute stamp set. It has a snail, you know, like snail mail. This is so cute. So you have that little snail, you have you have love. It has Hi Valentine. You have this big heart with little hearts within that. You have XOXO. I always like the stamps with XOXO. You have Be Mine and Sending Love Your Way. You have some little flowers right here. This is such a cute stamp set to have within your supplies. Then we have some pink resin hearts, and this pink is called, by Stampin' Up, it is called Petal Pink. So that's a nice soft powdery pink. Then they include a stamping spot, and this is your ink pad. And this is called Poppy Parade. This is a red, and to me this looks like more of a tomato red. They also include 1 whole roll of ribbon, and this is black ribbon. You get your 8 envelopes, and these are red envelopes. That's the Poppy Parade envelopes. You get some adhesive dots. This doesn't come with any glue. If you want to use your glue, I would recommend using the Bitter Odd glue, which is a nice glue. When it dries dry. It's not tacky if you get any seepage. I'll leave a link with information about that glue in the description down below if you're interested in. If you're new to my channel, guys, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So now we also have some printed labels with gold foil in those, and you could add these layers to the base of your card, and you have this with hearts and some flowers. Then you have one with a red mailbox, also has some gold foils in that. They give you a full sheet of dimensionals, These are the base of your cards, and this is measuring 8.5 by 5.5, and they have this pre-scored for you at 4 1/4. So you get 4 of those red ones, and the insides are white. Then we have some label, and this is in our pink, our petal pink. Then you have some with pink and white diagonal stripes. I love these stripes. The inside are also white. So this is excellent for you beginner paper crafters. We also have some die cuts and labels, so you could design your cards. And these are saying love on this. And you have like little small little labels there as well. Also, in this instructional insert, you could go to paperpumpkin.com. You could find different alternate ways of putting your kit together. They give you alternate designs up here in the corner. So get out there and be creative, guys. Design your own cards. Thank you guys for tuning in to my creative corner. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.